Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare pineapple chews. So guys, first of all I'm going to peel my pineapple and cut them into smaller pieces. If you are subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. And you also comment, like and share to your friends, relatives. After cutting into smaller pieces, then put the pieces into the blender and add 300 ml of water. Then you continue to blend. Another step is to sieve the blended juice. At this point, our juice is very ready. Look at the color, it is very fantastic. You will enjoy it. I can't wait for you to try. So guys, till our next video. Goodbye. Very sweet indeed.